watching my videos. Beauty tips have started sales packs, so please do watch those videos. Okay, right now what is cooking in the kitchen? Today we are going to make prawns. Prawns tokku. It's an Andhra dish. Believe me, it's one of the yummiest food and it's really tasty. So let's start. What all we need is we need prawns. Of course, you can use shrimp, you can use prawns. So this is approximately 750 grams of prawns. I bought 1 kg with the shells. So now it is approximately 750. So now other ingredients are, you have black pepper, cloves, then you have 1 spoon of cumin seeds. Here 5 to 6 medium sized onions cut into small, then 1 inch of ginger, then few garlic pods, 12 to 15 garlic pods, then you have curry leaves. I have taken 4 to 5 green chilies. Then you need this masala, you need red chili, that is I am using Archipudam masala, then salt, coriander powder, turmeric, mustard seeds. Then I have taken 5 small tomatoes, grind into fine paste. So what we'll be doing is, we'll be dry roasting the cloves. Then you have 1.5 spoon of black pepper, then 1 spoon of cumin seeds. We'll dry roast them. On the other pan, we'll be starting this masala preparation. You can take 1 big ladle of oil. This will do. Onions, cut onions into this. So this is roasted and let it cool down, and after this we'll be grinding it. Now just see the aroma. When any spice is roasted, dry roasted, and it releases the aroma, the whole kitchen is flooded with the aroma of the long, that is cloves. You can really smell the cloves. It's really slight change. In the beginning we should add mustard seeds. So I haven't added mustard seeds, so I'll be doing it separately. Add a 1/4 spoon of mustard seeds. Splattering. Now it's ready. Actually we should start with the mustard seeds. So I haven't started this. So this will be adding into the onions. Adding into onions. We should start with mustard seeds actually. So you should add oil, then mustard seeds. After mustard seeds you should go with onions. So now I have added mustard seeds into this. So let us cook. It will take some time. Add little salt, a 1/4 spoon, so that the onions get cooked faster. So what we'll do is we'll just add salt to it and we'll close the lid. Close the lid and cook until they are light brown in color. Now we will be adding the ginger garlic paste to it. So just see, roughly you can grind this. And now you can it's 1.5 spoon. So you can add this. Mix it well. You should do it in pestle and mortar fresh. Ginger and garlic will give the extra taste and aroma. So now let us cook it till it is brown. Other hand will be just taking 1 small or 2-3 spoons of oil. That's it. We'll be adding this prawns into, and we'll just cook it till they are orange in color. Please wash your non-veg with salt and turmeric. So I washed it, de-veined it. Always when you are cooking prawns, please do de-vein it, because It might get infected in your stomach. It's not good for health. So just devein it. It should be cleaned properly. Keep moving. You will see the color changing into orange. It means it is cooked. It's changing into orange. Now they have turned into orange. So we'll off the gas. They are cooked. So now we'll move to the other pan. We'll be adding the dry roast masala. The cloves, cumin, and so now this will be adding when the onions are light brown, we'll be adding into this. And this will give the actual aroma to the prawn tofu. This is one of the famous dish in Andhra. You can use shrimps, you can use big prawns, small prawns, whatever you like. Prawn tofu. Now we'll be adding the tomatoes. Mix it well. Release the oil. Masala is up to your how much masala you need. The more masala you need, you can add more onions and tomatoes. Need to be fitting into the masala, how much ever you want, according to your family members. You can add chilies and curry leaves. Let it cook and become dry. Do you know why did I add coriander or the curry leaves in the middle of the cooking? Because it retains its color as well as it gives the extra aroma. In the beginning if you add, it will lose its color. So I came to know a few years back. So you have to always add curry leaves in between. So see the color, it will retain the color. Okay, do you know the facts of the prawns? Prawns are very good for the Alzheimer people who have Alzheimer disease. It builds up muscles. Eating prawns, if you are doing exercise, it's good for your muscles. It prevents cancer. So eating prawns again is very good. Even good for heart also. So eating prawns is again very good. It's healthy option. So in cooking we'll be adding our spices into it. We'll be adding turmeric powder, less than half. Then the chili powder. Mine chili powder is not spicy because I'm using Aarti Kodam masala. It has many other ingredients. So I'll be using 1.5 spoon. Then I'll be adding coriander powder. That's 1 big spoon. That's a little more you can add. Yeah. It only thickens your gravy. So now you can cook this for 5 to 6 minutes. After this we'll be adding the prawns into it. As little oil is releasing, you can at this stage you can add the prawns. So I'll be adding prawns. I've added the prawns. I will cook it for 7 more minutes. That's it. It will absorb all the masalas. So before keeping it down, let me taste the salt. You will be needing little salt. So, added salt. We'll cook it till little oil is released. So let's check. Wow, what an aroma. My kitchen is full of aroma of prawns. Wow, what a masala. Now the oils are released. This is the correct stage. You can see the oil released. Now we can plate it. So prawns, just see the color. It's so tempting. And you can see even the curry leaves. They just become pale. Just see the hot steaming. You just see the steam coming out. Hot, yummy prawn tofu. One of the famous dish in South Andhra. It's Andhra dish. Very popularly eaten with the curd rice. You can eat with plain rice, anything, parantha rice, but commonly it is eaten with curd rice with prawn tofu. Very, very famous, and it's so simple and easy. The same masala, only the process is different. So let us garnish this. Wow. Always garnish your dish. It looks extra beautiful. So have this hot, yummy prawn tofu. If you like my videos, please do share with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe. Many more videos to come. Follow those facts of the prawn too. Many more videos are coming on the related to face packs, vlogging of Bangalore. So many videos. Keep following. Thank you so much. Have a great day. So let us close the lid and serve hot.